Okay guys, today we'll be discussing differential equations. So, isang college ko, ang akong nga ginagamit nga book kaginabasa is ang Elementary Differential Equations ni Rainville kag ni Bidient. So, mo ni isang libro sa unang nakapa-intindi sa akon sa differential equations. So, sa Shopee, mga around 300 to 400 lang mo ni siya, and it's worth reading. So, differential equations nga ginatunan na siya, it's because it is used in engineering, so like the Newton's law of cooling, in electrical circuits, and in motions of mga springs and vibrations, and more. So, in the future lessons, we will learn that kung paano i-apply ang differential equations sa real world problems. So first, let us start with separable differential equations. So first lessons will be differential equations of first order. So pinakaunang itakol is ang separable differential equation. So from the word itself nga separable, ginaseparata ang tanan nga terms nga may x nga i-opod siya sa dx, and tanan nga may terms nga may y i-opod siya sa dy. So it takes the form m of x dx plus n of y dy equals 0. So everything nga may term nga x will be on dx nga part. Everything nga may y will be on dy nga part. So dara siya kaupon. So it's pretty straightforward. So let's jump into the examples. So first example will be dy over dx equals 2y over x. So pag ginambal ta nga ang x dapat tanan nga x of tanay, tanan nga y of tanay. So what we will do is ang x saylot sa piyak, ang y isaylot man di siya. So let us divide by 2y and multiply by dx both sides. So dy over dx, multiply mo siya sa are, then dx will cancel, and the remaining will be dy over 2y. So 2y over x, multiply sa are, then 2y will be cancelled, and my remaining is dx over x. Okay. So after ta na siya ma-separate, integrate both sides. Integrate. So the integral of dy over 2y is 1/2 ln y. So equivalent siya sa integral ng dx over x is ln x plus constant. Okay. So this answer right here is actually correct na ni siya, pero let us simplify further para mas simple ang aton nga answer and mas hapos siya mag-solve sa ulihi kung may ara ta mga initial value problems. So ang pwede ta nga mahimo is multiply ta both sides by 2. So ln y equals 2 ln x plus c. So dire nagmultiply ko 2 sa c, so you expect nga 2c siya. So although 2c siya, so pwede lang siya nga 2c, pero since c is a constant nga arbitrary and wala pa kabalo sa iyagin nga value, so pwede lang nga c lang gyapon ang iyang ang ibutang ta. So it's 2c and c are just constants nga unknown, so the same lang. So, another thing nga pwede ta mahimo is ln y equals, so 2 ln x by the law of logarithm will be converted into 2 ln x squared, okay, plus butang ta siyang ln c. So anong rason nga nag ln c ta? So para ma-take advantage ta ang laws of logarithm para mag-simplify karon. So c and ln c are constant lang man siya gyapon, so it doesn't matter. Wala man takabalo sa ilang value, so ang c pag ln c pwede lang, same lang na siya gyapon. So next, we have y is equivalent siya sa, by laws of logarithm, ln of c x squared. So as we have ln y. Yan. So ln y is equivalent to ln of cx squared. So by laws of logarithm, kung nag-add ka, kung i-combine mo sila, ma-multiply siya sa sulod. So final answer will be remove ang ln cx squared. Okay, squared. So this is the answer sa atong nga problem. So let us solve another example. So we have 2x times y plus 1 dx minus y dy is equivalent to 0. So as you can see, ang y kag dy of the 9 na, ang x kag dx of the 9, pero ang isa ka y ari sa tupad sang dx. So as we have said earlier, ang x ng tanan dapat of the 9, kag ang y lang tanan dapat of the 9. So wala sang may masamo. So anong himuon ta? We eliminate y plus 1 halin sa dx, then i-transfer ta siya sa dy through dividing y plus 1. So 2x multiplied by y plus 1 dx, multiply ko siya or divided by y plus 1. So it remains 2x dx. So dire minus, so y over y plus 1 dy is equivalent to 0. So y over y plus 1, so nag-divide ta din, and 0 over y plus 1 is 0. Okay, so next is we integrate both sides. Okay, integrate. So integral of 2x dx is x squared minus, so do hindi pa siya as of now integrable, so for now i-ano ta lang siya, i-copy, equals c. Okay, so so since y ne kag ari is first degree, ari is of first degree man, para maging integrable siya, i-divide ta ang y over y plus 1. So like this, y divided by y plus 1. So y over y is 1, so minus, then multiply, 1 times y is y, plus 1 times 1 is 1. So y minus y is 0. 0 minus 1 is negative 1. So therefore y over y plus 1 is equivalent to 1 minus remainder nga 1, negative 1 over y plus 1. So amo ni siyang iya nga equivalent. So let us rewrite x squared minus integral of 1 minus 1 over y plus 1 dy is equivalent to c. So x squared minus, so integrate na siya, so integral of 1 is y minus integral of 1 over y plus 1 is ln of y plus 1 is equivalent to c. Okay, so simplifying, i-distribute na lang ang negative sign sa sulod sang parenthesis. We have x squared minus y plus ln of y plus 1 is equivalent to c. So this is the answer. Okay, so again, first kinanglanta nga of the 9 tanan nga x of the 9 tanan nga mga y of the 9, then integrate both sides. So simple as that. So we will go to the last example. So we have x cosine squared y dx plus tangent of y dy is equivalent to 0. Cosine squared. So anong first ang himuon? So dire ang dx is may upod siya nga x, at the same time may upod siya nga y. So kinanglantan ni siya isa ilaw. Dire ang dy may upod siya nga tangent y, so y lang tanan. So wala ka na sang kinanglan nga kakson nga x di. So para maging para ma-form siya nga of the na yung tanan nga x kag of the na yung tanan nga y, then ang cosine squared y is ilaw ta di siya. Everything else stay put lang. So aning mo unta? We have to multiply both sides by secant squared of x. So secant squared of x from trigonometry is reciprocal sang cosine squared of y. So x cosine squared dx multiplied by secant squared x will be x dx plus y okay, y. So cancel, plus secant squared y tangent y dy is equivalent to 0. So na-separate na sila nga duha, tanan nga x of the 9, tanan nga y of the 9, then integrate both sides. Okay, so ari is 1/2 x squared plus kapitan lang siya danay. So equivalent siya sa c, integral of 0 is c. So pwede tani siya magamitan from integral calculus nga substitution principle. So u is equivalent to tangent y, du is equivalent to secant squared y dy. Okay, so the integral of secant squared y tangent y dy will be equivalent to integral of, so tangent y is u, secant squared y dy is du. Okay, so equivalent to 1/2 u squared. So back to the variable y, we have 1/2. Ang u is tangent of y, so tangent squared y. So u squared is tangent squared of y. Okay, so this is the integral of this term. So Okay, let's copy 1/2 x squared plus 1/2 tangent squared y is equivalent to c. So to simplify further, kakasunda ang 1/2, so multiply the both sides by 2, then x squared plus tangent squared y is equivalent to c. So again, 2c and c are the same kaya wala mong nakabalo kung pila magini sila. So it's just an unknown number. So 2c wala nakabalo, so pwede lang iputang ang taas c. So this is the answer. Okay guys, so I hope may na-learn nyo subong ang separable differential equation. So in the future, we will talk about homogeneous differential equation and exact differential equations, and in the future we will talk about mga higher order differential equations and mga real world problems that are solved through differential equations. So thank you.